Hey, what's up everyone? A few of you have asked me how you can send mass email or bulk email to your clients, partners, and other associates. So I'm going to show you a great way to send a mass email without any CRM or complex software. All you need to start with is an Excel sheet with all the email addresses. If you want to address them individually, like, hey Jassie, hey John, hey Mary, make sure you have your database in first name, last name, and email columns. Let me show you what it's going to look like. As you can see here, we have a first name field, last name field, and email field. If you don't want to address them individually by their first name, then you just need email address. So once you have listed in the Excel spreadsheet in separate columns, we'll go to the next step. We'll open a Microsoft Word document. Like so, we'll create our document just like this one here. We have a text, we have a logo. You can customize it as you please. And once you're ready to send a mass email, you want to go to the top, mailing. You want to click on Start Mail Merge, step-by-step mail merge wizard. On the right-hand side, you want to select email messages. You want to click Next. This is what your email is going to look like. Make sure your Outlook is open in the background. It's really important that your mail client is open for these emails to be sent out. We're going to use the current document because we're happy with this template. I'm going to click Next. Now it's asking us to browse the list. I'm going to click on Browse. It's on my desktop, and that's my list. I'm going to double click and select my list. Click OK. It's going to show me all the columns in the list. And if you want to untick someone in there, you can untick it, someone you don't want to send this email to. But in this case, we're going to click OK. I'm going to click Next. Address book and greeting line is important if you want to address it individually. So we have here is to our dear clients, friends, and partners. But if you want to make it to first name, you want to select greeting line. You can change that if you want it dear or to. Then we just want it first name and comma. And if the first name field is empty, it's going to say dear sir or madam. Okay, I'm going to click on match field to make sure all my fields are correct. First name, match to first name, last name, match to last name, which is good. I'm going to click OK. Oh, there you go. Looks like my greeting line is not where I wanted it. So what I'm going to do is delete this. I'm going to click my cursor where I want my greeting line. And click dear. I want just first name. And click OK. Now that's where my greeting line is going to be. I'm going to click Next. And there you have it. See how it's showing you each name? Perfect. Now we're going to click Next. We're going to go electronic mail. This is what your mail is going to look like. And you can insert your subject line here. I'm going to say KECG COVID-19 update. We want to send emails to all our records and click OK. And there you have it. It's all done. If you have hundreds and thousands of email addresses in there, give it a few minutes, as your mail client is going to take a few minutes to send all these emails out. And if I go back to my email, and you can see this email's already arrived. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a message or drop a comment. I'm happy to help where I can. Good luck and be safe. Hey, thank you so much for supporting our content. If we've delivered any value, hit that like button and consider subscribing. It's your support like this that keeps us going, and it's a privilege to serve you. We'll see you next time.